You're wasting your time, Lucas. Flyers are faster than grounders. Why don't we just trade places?
Yeah,
Fly a race on the ground
I guess
and
yeah,
let the
point.
grounder try flying. Sounds like fun to me. Let's do it! Okay, racers, on your marks, get set, go!
Yeah. Whee.
That hurt.
Whee.
What? I want them both to win.
Whee. Wah. Slow motion. Wee. Wee.
Here they come! Wait, do they even have necks?
Ooh.
What a ride! Who won? It was a tie! Oh, Lucas, you really stink at flying.
Thank you. I'm best racer.
Driver ever. So, we're the best at being bad.